Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Samsung Galaxy A37. So we need to prepare a computer or a laptop and also a USB cable. We will need to connect our phone to our computer, but not quite yet. First, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna go to the quick settings panel. We're gonna tap on this power button and then let's shut it down. Once the phone is completely off, you will need to connect the phone, you will need to connect the USB cable. And then once you do so, you want to press and hold both volume buttons at once. So I'm gonna plug it in and then use volume up and volume down and keep holding until you enter this menu over here. So now we have the initial screen of the download mode. In here, you can press volume up in order to continue, volume down in order to restart your phone and exit the download mode, and you can press the power button in order to show the barcode. Now, if you happen to press volume up in order to continue, of course, you will see something like this, but you can still exit the download mode in here by simply pressing and holding the power button and volume down button for 7 seconds. So I'm gonna unplug the cable now. I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons, so power and volume down. And once the screen shuts down, you can let go both of these buttons and your phone will reboot into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.